Hi, this is Larry James of SpeakWithLarry.com. I want to go over just a few of the things that I've been blessed to be able to accomplish in the last 12 months of my internet marketing systems. Now, I'm a firm believer in setting up systems. Understand that I was a real estate investor prior to gaining knowledge about the internet. I still dabble in real estate. I have some properties that I rent out, but that's not really what I do anymore. What I do now is strictly market information and speak. This is what I love to do. I also love to teach people to speak. Okay, so over the last 12 months, I've been blessed to be able to learn videoing, which is what you're watching right now. And to date, July 20th, 2010, I have over 90 videos on different websites. I'm a published author. I have over 35 articles published on different websites. I have an online store that sells ebooks. Now I knew nothing about any of this prior to. Keep that in mind. I have an online travel agency that I knew nothing about. You can take trips at a discount and get paid for taking those trips. Now, as I indicated, I love systems. I like to build systems so that I can put people in those systems and go enjoy my life, because it's really about what you do once you get everything positioned. Because once you get everything positioned, all you have to do is just put someone there and pay them dollars per hour to do the same thing that you would have to do if you were there. This is a business. It's not a job. I don't want a job. I want to run the business. I want to be the owner, which is what I do, and I'm satisfied with that. But I'm saying all that to say this. You can do it too. And there's a lot of things that you're going to come across that you are not familiar with at this point in your career. But stay focused, and when an opportunity comes, if it's something that's in line with you or your personality, grab it. Incorporate a system around it and learn from it. And before you know it, you'll be part of what that system was that you knew nothing about, but you had an interest in. Again, Larry James, SpeakWithLarry.com.